Good morning, students. Today we are about to start with the first chapter in biology, that is living world. See, the first two chapters are based on the basics which you might have studied in your earlier standards. Okay, so today we are going to cover only the basic part of living organisms and also the non-living things which are surrounding us. So the topics which we are going to deal in this chapter are basic principles of life, herbariums, botanical gardens, museums, zoological parks, and biodiversity parks. So all these are the things which we deal in our day-to-day life. To starting with is the term living world. When I use the term living world, it refers to everything which is surrounding us. Okay, so let us start with the first topic. Whether all organisms are similar? Yes, you can ask this question to yourself. No, all organisms are not similar. Organisms on the earth, they exhibit in various different forms. You can see them in various forms, like that of microbes, plants, animals. And when I consider plants, you say they are autotrophs. अभी autotrophs का मतलब क्या है? They can prepare their own food. Heterotrophs, we all animals, we depend on the plants for the food. So we are heterotrophs. Various microbes and decomposers, they also exhibit in the nature and show various shape and sizes. Now here if you see, you can see a vast organisms which are displayed here on this in this chart. You can start here with the microbes, then there are algae. You can see some of the bryophytes which we'll be studying in detail later on. These are all the different animals which you might have studied in your ninth standard in different phylums, okay, of non-chordates, that is the lower animals. They show different phylums and all those phylums have been listed here in the chart. Now, let us start with the plants. Plants are classified on the basis of what? So they are classified on the basis of shape, size, structure, their mode of reproduction, on the basis of location कि वो कहाँ मिलेंगे, snowy, desert, forest, aquatics. Like for example, if you see, first, on the basis of the type and the shape or the structure, you can see plants are algae, mosses, fern, angiosperm, and gymnosperm. These are the different types of plants which are classified on the basis of shape, size, and structure. Then comes the next part. See, here you can see different forms again in the form of mode of reproduction. If you see here, they are present in the form of algae which are stick to the barren rocks. They show asexual reproduction. Then comes pteridophytes which will be showing sexual as well as asexual reproduction. See, all this we are going to study in detail in the further chapters. This is a gymnosperm which will be showing again both sexual and asexual reproduction. Then comes angiosperms where flower is a reproductive organ. तो इस तरह हम different types of classification of plants पढ़ेंगे. The first one which we have seen was on the basis of shape, size, structure. Second was on the basis of their mode of reproduction. Then the place where they are found. These are the cacti or the cactus-like organisms or the plants which you can see in xerophytes, desert areas. Here you can see all conifers which are present in snowy area. जहाँ पे snowfall ज़्यादा होता है, you can see cone-shaped trees, conifers. This is evergreen forest where there is heavy rainfall all throughout the year. You can see evergreen forest. Okay, then lastly, again you can see organisms which are present here in the deserts which have got needle-shaped structure. So these are the different forms which you can find here. Then next comes again the angiosperms which you can find everywhere on the land. Then again a snowy area where you will see all conifers. So these are different forms or the types of classification of the plants. One on the basis of shape, size, structure. Second on the mode of reproduction. Third on the basis of location, snowy, desert, forest, aquatic. See all those points which are being displayed here in the video. All the points you need to write down in your notebooks. ये सारे points notebook में लिखने हैं. All the points you have to write in your notebooks. Now next, when you see animals, animals show a high degree of variation. You can see unicellular, multicellular, invertebrates and vertebrates. Unicellular having only single cell, multicellular made up of multiple cells, invertebrates which are without vertebral column, and vertebrates with vertebral column. Here you can see a proper differentiate between invertebrates and vertebrates. All these are invertebrates. You can see the phylums which you might have studied in your 9th standard. Porifera, Coelenterata, Annelida, molluscans, arthropods, and echinoderms. ये सब कौन है? These are the animals which are belonging to invertebrates. They don't have vertebral column or notochord present. These all are vertebrates. You can see fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, mammals. We all are vertebrates. So we come under vertebrata, and these all are invertebrates. Then also on the basis of their habitats. Habitats का मतलब होता है place where we live. They are terrestrial, found on land, aquatic in water, aerial in air. They are adapted for flying, amphibians present in water as well as land. See all these points you can see we are doing only the basics. We are not going into the topic now. All these are the basic points from the first chapter. Here you can see the habitats. Snowy areas, aquatic, terrestrial, aerial, correct? So all these are different forms. Now, what are the basic principles of life? What are the different basic principles of life? Now, if you see here, one is metabolism. Metabolism means the energy releasing and energy absorbing processes which are taking place in the body. In short, जितने भी एक्टिविटीज होते हैं बॉडी के अंदर, those all are metabolic activities. जहाँ पे either molecules break होते हैं, तो molecules break होंगे तो वो catabolism रहेगा, and molecules form होंगे तो it will be anabolism. Now, what is the function of metabolism? Due to metabolic activities, we obtain energy and various chemical molecules which are required for our survival. Okay, to survive on the earth, we require energy and certain chemical molecules, okay, to sustain on the earth. So that is being done by the metabolism. You can see here the concept of metabolism. Eating food, digestive system, enzymes meet up, and energy releases. See, all these are the processes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And lastly, the energy is stored. So it starts from eating of food. When we take in the food, it releases energy. This energy will be used up for our digestive system. Digestive system will build up enzymes in our body. And lastly, the energy will be stored in the body, which will be used for metabolic activities or other body activities. Next comes growth and development. We know that organisms tend to grow and develop in a well-organized process from birth onwards. That is from the fetus stage. Fetus यानी unborn. Then comes the infant stage यानी newly born. वहां से लेके adult stage तक there is growth and development taking place in living organisms. You can see here right from infant to a adult stage. ये जो सारे stages है, they come under growth and development. Okay. So this is all for today. See what all points have been noted down here in the video. All the points you have to write it down in your notebooks. All these are the basic points which we need to study from the first chapter. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.